What's up, YouTube? I've been doing a little research and I want to talk about Mighty Mouse. I guess the motor's gonna have to come out. I got some aluminum heads to put on it, and I want to get a different intake for it and water pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the motor out of it and put on a stand. I do believe that I have a burnt valve on the passenger bank of the motor. So I'm going to be pulling the motor Mighty Mouse and trying to figure out what exactly is wrong with it, because after looking at the vacuum gauge and everything and how it's bouncing around, if y'all looked at my community page, you saw the thing I posted about what could be wrong with it. And I've been thinking for a while I had a burnt valve. And then I really got to looking at the vacuum gauge and how it was acting when I was trying to tune up the carburetor. I think I got a burnt valve or a stuck valve, or maybe even some guides that are messed up on those heads. So I'm going to pull the motor, take it down to short block, make sure everything's good with it, put the aluminum heads on it, put a Edelbrock air gap intake on it, and put a decent water pump on it. And I don't think it has a thermostat in it, but I can't pull a thermostat housing with the water pump that's on it because it's in the way. You got to actually pull the water pump. It's fucked up. It's just fucked up. I don't know who would have done that, but it's messed up. But anyway, that's gonna be what's going on with Mighty Mouse. Mighty Mouse is gonna be down for a while. I'll probably next week. I'll probably pull the motor Mighty Mouse. It won't take very long. Pull the hood, unbolt everything, yank it out of there. It won't be that bad. All right, I'll holler at you guys later.